Meaning of fuzzy logic.
Fuzzy logic.
Fuzzy logic.
Fuzzy logic.
Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is a mathematical concept that deals with reasoning that is approximate rather than precise. It is used to handle complex systems that cannot be easily described using traditional, crisp logic. Fuzzy logic allows for the possibility of partial membership in a set, meaning that an element can belong to a set to a certain degree, rather than simply being in or out of the set. The result is a more flexible approach to decision-making, which is particularly useful in areas such as control systems, artificial intelligence, and data analysis. Fuzzy logic helps to address problems that are ambiguous, uncertain, or imprecise, leading to more nuanced and accurate outcomes.